Okay, in this step we want to install another SDK for encoding and decoding the video. At first we have to encode the video from MP4 format or another formats. It's or even the real-time video from the camera to the list of the bytes and send it to server and achieve it from the another device, and decoding from the list of the bytes to video in real time. Sending the list of the bytes to server and getting from the another device will be by photon network, but decoding and encoding the video will be with another SDK, and it's called FMETP Stream Core. It is a very powerful SDK for sharing the video, but in the local, not in the online. It only works with the local network, but we don't want to work with the sharing the video from this FMTP. We want to only use the encoding and decoding part of this SDK. So after you buy this SDK and install on your my asset of your package manager, and you can install it, you can see it has the folder. It's called FM exhibition tool pack, FMETP, and you need to come here, FM core and scenes and networking, and in here demo FM network streaming, and it has two options. It is for all the screen, and it is for from the streaming the view of main camera. It is our target, and it is that scene we want to work with it. As you can see, it has some options: main camera, FM network demo. In here we can manage the demo on two boxes and showing the front of this screen, and also FM network manager. As you can see, it has the encoder and receiver, also for the game view decoder. This is the decoder of that, and in this raw image in the UI we can see the receiver video from the another device. Anyway, it is all the assets we will need to encode and decode our video. And in the next video we will talk about how we can use it in our project. But if you want to know more about the how we can streaming video from device A to device B with more detail, you can come to the Abulfaz Tanha channel in the YouTube and go to the playlists, and you can find out the video chat and screen share with Photon in Unity. As you can see, you have all details and all explanations about how we can stream the video and desktop or a screen and share the data between user A and user B with Photon in Unity. It doesn't matter what is the platform, in Android, iOS, mobile, or console, or even the PC desktop platforms. In the next step, we will learn how we can use this mechanism, share stream, to the Chromakey video between user A and user B in AR.